Gold price is traded in a narrow zone, in a no trade zone for the day. We have seen a struggle on the upside, while on the downside, good support has kicked in at 3640 levels, while it is silver, which is scaled to the new highs at 42, 40, 42, 50 levels. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Are we looking forward to a rally again, or there is a possibility of a drop? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver with the US session? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across geographies and across sessions, including Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold for the day, since the breakout here out of this flag formation, we have seen bullishness prevailing. It is also delivering higher lows and higher highs, but yet to break beyond the critical milestone at 33.5860. I have mentioned this earlier in the day. This is going to be the prime resistance. It is yet to break beyond this. I'll wait for it to trade beyond 33.5860 in order to confirm further bullishness. Else what is happening, you can see this. Since the consolidation at 36.30, we have seen a rise. It has retraced. Now this is the zone 36.40, 36.30, which it has to trade. See, earlier in the day I have mentioned these levels, and these levels are again proving out to be a very, very good support. Let's wait for it to trade below 36.30. That might confirm further downside. Moving average is trading bullish. Stochastic rising. MACD is also rising. RSI is also supportive for further rise. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, look at the preceding few candles. You can see lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. The support from 20 period getting very, very strong, which means only bearishness, only selling entry is below 36.40, 36.38 zone now. If at all it trades below this, you can stay short for 36.30, the first target, and below this you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Else what is happening, it is right now trading at 36.50, and now if it trades beyond 36.50, 860, this is going to deliver another breakout move here. You have to be cautious. This is gold, it can do wonders. We have seen good bullishness so far for last multiple weeks, months, and sessions. The stochastic has dropped here looking downwards. The MACD, after retracing towards the bottom, has crossed over, and this is a bullish cross. It is still in green looking upwards. RSI comfortably placed on the 3 hour. Now look on the 3 hour chart. See, this is the main trend. If at all gold now trades below 36.30, so what we can conclude with that, see, flat top, lower lows means there is bearishness here. Yes, a flat top and lower lows suggest prevailing bearishness, where it can try to in fact move towards 3610 or 3600 mark here. Thus current candle is going to be pretty important for gold here. Notice what has happened. Since the rise, we have seen a pullback, then it has kissed the 20 period bounce back, and the current candle, if at all it trades below 36.40, 38, then we are looking forward to a move below 36.30, and in fact it can move towards 36.10 and 3600 mark as well. Because what is happening, this is the trend which is it has adopted. This is a sideways movement. Possibly it could close here at bottom and then continue the downside from there. Let's wait for it to take a direction. Stochastic overbought. MACD here has traded enough bearish. It has converged but not yet crossed over. RSI is staying flat here. On the 4 hour chart, you can see this on the 4 hour charts also. Similar observation, drop, retracement since the reversal sign, again a drop, again a retracement. Also notice the resistance on the upside pretty strong. And now see what has happened on the last few candles. Diminishing bullishness here. You can see the body size is getting smaller, and the last candle comes with almost a doji here. Lower highs are seen. So possibly now once it trades below 36.40 and 36.30 mark, that's a confirmation of a reversal here in gold prices. It can show you a stronger dip from there. Once it trades below 36.30, we have to just stay short from there. What we are looking forward to is a good correction here. Right now it is not showing such strength. Right now it is not showing such bearish momentum. Hence you have to be cautious, you have to be watchful. Any move beyond 36.60 is a clear sign of a greater rally ahead. Keep a note of this. Stochastic overbought, MACD trading bearish, RSI is staying flat here. Coming to daily, when you look at the daily charts, you look at the last few candles here, you can see there was a greater rise, then a pullback, then a swing, then a red candle here, suggesting that the bulls are not very much interested in keeping the prices higher. But what has happened today, see, previous candles, lower lows were seen, lower highs were seen. Today it has started on a flat note and achieved the highs. yet it has failed to, or it is right now struggling to break beyond 36.58.60 zone. So that is the zone beyond which you can say now it is trying to rally high, and then beyond 36.60 you can expect 36.70, 36.76.78. If that is taken, I'll be looking forward to 37.10 mark very very soon, if not today. Stochastic coming out of the overbought zone. MACD trading with divergence is still staying bullish, and the RSI is staying extremely overbought. Things on the daily charts are slightly the trading levels and strategy. If you're willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the 34th mentorship batch starting coming Monday, 15th of September. Only limited seats are now available. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. If you're looking forward to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for queries, and those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a SWIFT free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first is where you should buy. I will only recommend you to buy now if you see it is staying below 36.48 36.58.60 zone. That is the only level beyond which there is a possibility to initiate a buy here. If it trades beyond 36.58, you can expect the next target to be towards 36.70, 36.76, 78. Beyond this, ideally, I am looking forward to 37.10 levels very, very soon. The intermittent resistance, it might get somewhere here at around 36.92, 94 zone. Else 3710 is a must here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 36.48 itself. Expect 36.40, 38 is the first target zone. 36.30 as the next. If at all it trades below 36.30, we can stay short. We can expect it to trade lower. 36.20 is also one of the support which it has to trade below, and then 36.10, 3600 mark will be there. Below 3600 is where the bears are waiting. Below 3600 is where you can say now 3580 is a must, and below 3580 it's going to land all the way towards 3550 levels very very soon. Trade accordingly. Right now it is not showing a strong bearish move here, but yes, as in how it trades lower, more bearishness should prevail. Let's move to silver. See what silver has done so far. After, see, every rise is offset with a retracement, then a stronger candle has appeared, and since then it has kept itself in this bullish channel. Higher lows and higher highs. It has moved towards the next milestone at 4240, 4250, which is a crucial number for now, because beyond 4240, 4250, ideally we are looking at $43 levels directly. It is possible. Silver can do wonders. It is shown, it can show you a rise in a single candle, but right now I can see it is struggling here. And thus, even if you now see it is staying below 42.20, when you see the higher price below 42.20, take a sell for 42 41.80. Remember, it is very very important for silver to now trade below 41.80 in order to confirm any kind of bearishness which could take it all the way towards 41.50, 41.40 zone. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD has seen a good rise, waiting for it to converge crossover. The RSI is overbought. On the two arch, see on the two arches, bullishness got diminished. Look at the last couple of candles, and that is why I say once you see silver trading below 42.20, take a sell for 42, 41.80. And if at all it decides to trade below 41.80, we can stay bearish from there for 41.50, 41.40 zone. Stochastic overbought, MACD trading with extreme divergence and bullishness. RSI extremely overbought. Things are slightly overbought here for silver. Look at 3 hour charts. Now see on the 3 hour charts, look at the preceding candle. The move outside bands, it has got the push. Higher lows are seen, and thus it is pretty important for silver to breach or trade below the lows of the preceding candle, and specifically $42 mark. So any move below 42.20 and 42 will confirm bearishness here in silver. Then I will look forward to 41.80, 41.50. Here also the stochastic is definitely overbought, which calls for it to cool down a bit. The MACD though is crossed over at the bottom and it is looking upwards, which is a supportive sign for further rise. RSI overbought as well. Things on the smaller time frame is getting slightly overbought here for silver. Now on the 4 hour chart, see the rise, retracement, then a rise, then sideways movement, then a rise. So I think this is the next wave of rise which is continuing here. Where are the highs for this wave? The highs for this wave is somewhere at 43. We have to wait now. We have to wait for either for silver to trade below 41. Now this appears to be a distant dream, but yes, it can try to move close to this, and if at all it trades below 41 or 40.80, that's the beginning of reversal. Else it is not yet showing any signs of reversal here. Yes, you can see the price is completely outside bands. It is putting pressure on the bands to expand, but staying completely outside bands is difficult, and hence we can call for a little retracement. However, bearishness in silver is below 4180 and 4140 zone. As long as 4140 is not taken, do not treat this as bearish. Remember, till yesterday and day before, I have mentioned 4140, 4150 as the crucial resistance. Now that is going to become a crucial support for the day. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over at the bottom, looking upwards, trading bullish. RSI overbought here. Coming today, now see on the daily charts, till yesterday it was 4140, 4150, and the support at 4080 is pretty strong. It is coming out of this box here. This is very, very important. And coming out of this box, it is looking upwards. Now, once it trades below beyond 4250, we are aiming at 43 directly. It is possible that uh, see three candle move is done. We might see a range bound move now, and then with the coming candle, the fresh candle coming Monday, we can see a breakout here. Right now I can say that it has definitely formed a good base here at 4080 levels, $41 levels, which is a very, very good support for now. The stochastic rising again, the MACD rising, the RSI is also overbought. So looking at this, what I can recommend here is see where you should buy. I will recommend you to now buy at 4240 levels here. 4240, 4250 is a good resistance for now. Ideally beyond this, it should land directly at 43. Intermittent resistance it is going to get is at 4275 levels. Once this is taken, 43 is a must. I do not expect silver to break beyond 43 today, and hence I'm not giving a level here because beyond 43 the landing is directly towards 44, chances for which appears to be less today. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 4220 levels itself. When you see the higher price below 4220, take a sell. Expect 42 first support and 4180 the next. This is the prime support zone for the day, and this is going to be the stronger one. If at all it trades to below this, expect 4150, 4140 the next target zone. This is crucial. If at all it trades below 4140, stay short for 41, and then 4075, 4050 levels, chances for which appears to be less here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again with the weekly reviews tomorrow, and do not miss to watch the daily reviews coming Monday. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.